Hi everyone. Welcome to Back Daily English Plus channel. It's so nice to have you here with us today. This channel helps you speak English more naturally and confidently. That is the best way to improve your English. Today we talk about people and pets. Why people keep pets. People all over the world keep pets. You can find dogs, cats, rabbits, birds, and many other animals living in homes with people. Pets are popular in many cultures and in both cities and the countryside. But why do people love to keep pets so much? Pets are good companions. One of the main reasons people keep pets is because they give companionship. Pets are like good friends. They stay with us and keep us company. Many people feel less lonely when they have a pet at home. For example, an elderly person who lives alone may feel happier with a cat or a dog nearby. Pets listen quietly, and they never judge us. Some people even talk to their pets when they feel sad or stressed. Pets help us feel happy. Pets often make people smile. Dogs wag their tails and look happy when we come home. Cats curl up next to us when we watch TV or read a book. Even watching fish swim in a tank can help us relax. Many people say that spending time with their pets makes them feel calm and joyful. Pets keep us active. Pets, especially dogs, help us stay active. Dog owners need to take their pets for walks, sometimes 2 or 3 times a day. This helps people get outside and exercise. Walking a dog is good for your health and can also help you meet other people in your neighborhood. Some people play games with their pets in the park or go on hikes with them. Pets teach responsibility. Taking care of a pet is a big responsibility. You need to feed your pet, give it water, clean it, and take it to the vet when it is sick. Children can learn a lot by helping to care for a pet. They learn how to be kind, careful, and responsible. It can also help them understand the needs of others. Pets can help with stress. Many studies show that pets can help people reduce stress. Petting a dog or a cat can make your heart beat more slowly. This helps people feel more relaxed. That's why animals are sometimes used in therapy. In hospitals or care homes, therapy dogs visit patients to help them feel better. Pets are part of the family. For many people, pets are more than just animals. They are part of the family. People give them names, celebrate their birthdays, and even take them on vacations. When a pet is sick or dies, it can be very painful, just like losing a close friend or family member. In conclusion, people keep pets for many reasons. Pets give us love, fun, comfort, and help us stay healthy and active. They teach us to care for others and bring a lot of joy into our lives. It's no surprise that so many people choose to share their homes with a pet.